Alright, welcome to part 5 of our website and development and design series. Today I want to cover what are HTML elements and tags. I want to start by saying there is a difference between an HTML element and an HTML tag. An HTML element is a paragraph, a heading, an image, or any other HTML building block, while HTML tags, on the other hand, are part of the elements, which will usually have an opening and closing tag. The stuff in between is the content of the HTML element. Some elements, however, are self-closing, meaning it does not have the closing tag. Notice that we do not have content, but rather we'll mostly have attributes. In this case, the content for the image tag is the source element attribute. Next, we have HTML comments. If you are a computer programmer, then you should be familiar with how comments work when coding. But basically, they are text you can enter in your workspace that is not read by a compiler, or in this case, the browser, meaning that you can use this for notes and other things. In order to show how to make a comment on HTML, what you can do is select a line that you want to turn into a comment, for example. So let's say that this is content hello wants to be turned into a comment. All you'd have to do is press Control// on your keyboard, and anything that is in between these symbols here will be turned into a comment. So this is content hello, it has now been turned into a comment, and what that means is this will be ignored by the compiler or the browser in this case when you're loading your website. So this won't pop up on your website. But in order to turn it back, just press Control/ again and it'll remove it. And so now this will appear back. So this is really good if you want to make notes on the side about the content above. So notes about content, let's just say. Then you can do Control/ and now you have notes next to your content here. And you can always move this to be like on the right side or below it, above it, however you want to organize your notes. This is really useful for not only setting up notes for yourself in the future, but if you're sharing a website or any other kind of coding content with others, notes will help them recognize what you're typing and what certain things do. So that's the difference between an HTML element and a tag, and how to quickly make comments in your coding workspace. Next video, we'll go into inline and block level elements, the difference between those and how that affects your web page. Alright, see ya.